Welcome to Global Fact Lab. Today we bring you 10 mind-blowing space facts that will change the way you see our universe. Get ready because some of these will leave you speechless. Let's begin. Fact number 1. Space is completely silent. There is no air, no medium for sound to travel. On Earth, sound waves move through air, but in the vast emptiness of space, silence is eternal. Imagine floating in a place where no one can hear anything, not even a whisper. Fact number 2, the hottest planet is not the closest to the sun. You might think Mercury should be the hottest, but Venus actually takes that crown. Its thick atmosphere traps heat like a giant oven, making Venus hotter than Mercury itself. Fact number 3, Venus is officially the hottest planet in our solar system. Temperatures can rise above 470 degrees Celsius. That's hot enough to melt lead. No spacecraft can survive on its surface for long. Fact number 4, black holes are so powerful, they even trap light. Once anything crosses their event horizon, escape is impossible. Not even light can get out. It's like a one-way door into darkness. Fact number 5, Saturn's beautiful rings are slowly disappearing. Made of ice and rock, these rings are being pulled into Saturn by gravity. Scientists believe the rings may vanish completely in about 100 million years. Fact number 6, on Neptune and Uranus, it rains diamonds. Extreme pressure inside these planets crushes carbon into sparkling diamond crystals, falling like rain through the atmosphere. Fact number 7, on Venus, a single day is longer than a year. It takes Venus 243 Earth days to rotate once, but only 225 days to orbit the Sun. That means the Sun would rise once every year and a half. Fact number 8, our Milky Way galaxy is on a collision course with Andromeda. In about 4 billion years, the two will merge into a single giant galaxy. Don't worry, we won't be here to see it. Fact number 9, Jupiter acts as Earth's protector. Its massive gravity pulls in asteroids and comets, preventing many potential disasters for our planet. In a way, Jupiter is our solar system's bodyguard. And finally, fact number 10. Humans understand less than 5% of the universe. The rest is made up of mysterious dark matter and dark energy, forces we cannot yet explain. The universe is far more unknown than known. And that was 10 incredible space facts from Global Fact Lab. Which fact surprised you the most? Tell us in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cosmic wonders.